At Align Cedar City, we provide very complex details and assemblies supporting defense, commercial, and private sector industries. We specialize in sheet metal fabrication, complementary machining, and special NADCAP processing. Founded in 1989, Align Cedar City, with over 30 years of experience, has grown to provide extensive capabilities. Our core competencies include skin stretch forming, extrusion forming, hydroforming, forming of metal parts, titanium and aluminum hot forming, as well as complementary machining capabilities. Our NADCAP approved processes also include heat treat, non-destructive testing, hardness and conductivity testing. For capacity, scale, accuracy, and performance, we are your partner for manufacturing excellence.